Gaming Equipment Management Systems (GEMS) is a self-developed product by INSYS for supporting casino properties, recording the movement of the gaming equipment and accessories, search and view their transactions and statuses. Gaming Equipment Management Systems is to implement a solution that helps casino operations keep track of all activities and movement of sensitive gaming equipment to minimize human mistakes with lower operation cost. GEMS will also help to prevent and alert invalid gaming equipment movement in order to tighten overall sensitive gaming equipment security standard. Gaming Equipment Management Systems' mainly function is including inventory contains equipment and seal inventory. Equipment and seal management is able to import and edit equipment and seal information, generate a unique system ID for the equipment, pair equipment with seal, group and ungroup equipment. The paired equipment with seal is allowed to check in or check out to other area by using equipment check-in out function and provide the exception handling function for handling the equipment register exception in case the equipment is in anomalous or exceptional conditions. Example, suspicious equipment, equipment breakdown, broken seal, verify equipment, void equipment seal. Providing maintain the mapping between the client machines and locations and dynamic flow configuration. Enhances security for the gaming equipment by recording all their movements and activities as well as providing alerts to suspicious transactions. Provides reports, example, equipment inventory report and movement report, which allows the casino operations team to make use of that information for better management of gaming equipment operation and maintenance procedure. Supports the tracking and management for various types of gaming equipment and accessories, including Super Angel Eyes 2, Angel Eye Scope, Ideal Plus, Chipper Champ 2, Angel Cabinet, Angel Float Tray, Shuffle Star, Ulti Angel Eye, MD3, Roulette Wheel, Dice Shaker and Dice. Let's talk about our system flow. Upon the arrival of new equipment and seals, the gaming equipment team has to import the equipment and seals to the system. The equipment and seal become the current location inventory, example, Storeroom 1. The equipment status is imported and the equipment pairing status is unpaired, while the seal status is new. In addition to the serial number pre-printed on the gaming equipment, a unique equipment ID, barcode, will be generated in the system. Instead of the original serial number, the system-generated equipment ID will be used for equipment identification in the system. The gaming equipment team has to print the equipment ID from the system and stick it on the corresponding gaming equipment. The equipment status is updated to available. The gaming equipment team has to seal the gaming equipment with the security seal to prevent tampering and register the equipment and seal pairing in the system. The equipment pairing status is updated to paired and the seal status is updated to in use. To check in or check out the equipment from one location to another, the user has to scan the system-generated equipment ID and its paired seal ID. When the equipment is ready to be distributed to the gaming table, example, 01BB01, the gaming equipment team has to check out the equipment from the current location, example, Storeroom 1, to the gaming pit, e.g. Pit 01, which the table belongs to first. After the equipment has been delivered to Pit 01, the user has to check in the equipment in the gaming pit. The equipment becomes the Pit 01 inventory and it can then be checked out to any tables in Pit 01. The equipment can then be distributed to Table 01BB01 and checked in at the gaming table. The equipment becomes the Table 01BB01 inventory. To return the equipment from Table 01BB01 to Maintenance Room 1, the user has to check out the equipment to Pit 01 first. The user has to check in the equipment in the gaming pit. The equipment becomes Pit 01 inventory, and it can then be checked out to Maintenance Room 1. The equipment is delivered to the Maintenance Room 1 and the gaming equipment team has to check in the equipment in the maintenance room. The equipment becomes the Maintenance Room 1 inventory. shaker and a dice itself can be checked out to the gaming pit or table. Multiple dices have to be grouped into a dice pack, example, 3 dice pack, and sealed in a bag. The dice pack will be unpacked and sealed in a dice shaker. Only dice shaker with dices inside can be checked out to the gaming pit or table. After the dices have been imported into the system, the gaming equipment team has to take 3 dices, group them into a 3 dice pack and seal them in a bag. A unique equipment ID, barcode, will be generated for the 3 dice pack. The gaming equipment team has to print the equipment ID from the system and stick it on the bag of the 3 dice pack. An equipment group 3 dice pack is created. The equipment pairing status is updated to paired and the seal status is updated to in use. After the dice shaker has been imported into the system, a unique equipment ID, barcode, has to be generated for the dice shaker. The gaming equipment team has to print the equipment ID from the system and stick it on the dice shaker. The equipment status is updated to available. The gaming equipment team has to unpack the 3 dice pack, group the 3 dices with the dice shaker and then seal the dice shaker. An equipment group dice shaker with dices is created. The equipment pairing status is updated to paired and the seal status is updated to in use.